So today we're drawing Sonic in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And what do we need to do the 2-minute challenge?
With black textures.
That's right, we need black textures. So if you're at home, just grab a black texture and we'll start drawing. In a circle here. So circle like that. Here, circle like that. Good work, okay. Then we need like one here. Oops. So go around there, yep, good. Yep.
Make a mistake.
That's alright. There we go. Okay. Circle here. Circle here. Smiley face here. Yep. Eyebrow. Yep. Another eyebrow. Ear. There you go. And then we'll go there. That's it. You want to start with the eyebrow. Yep. 2, 3. So, yeah, and then the last ear, just like that.
What?
There.
Oh, there.
Yeah, and then you colour the nose. Doesn't go all the way, there's a bit of white in there. Okay. And the eyes. And there we go, 2 minutes. Sonic the Hedgehog. All right, so we just did it in 2 minutes.
Yay, we did it! Now we're going to draw this.
Obviously, this picture is going to take longer than 2 minutes to draw, so I'm going to draw it in supersonic speed. These are all the things that we're going to need to draw this picture.
So we're going to use a grey lead pencil on this one as a rubber on the end. Whoa, ting!
I like to begin the drawing with a grey lead pencil. Split the page into thirds. The top third has Sonic's head, the middle has his body, and the bottom has his feet and hand. Roughly sketch the outline lightly to figure out where the shape of Sonic is. I do this so I don't run out of room for his feet and hands. If you make a mistake, don't worry, just rub it out with an eraser. And then start getting darker with the pencil once you've found the lines that you like. And if there are any lines that you don't like, just rub them out and start again. And keep on doing this until you're happy with it.
Now we're going to use a black texture. Whoa, ting!
Now with the black texture, we trace over the outline of Sonic. We can't make any mistakes here, that's why we did all the rough edges with the grey lead pencil. So I don't do straight lines here like the 2 minute Sonic challenge drawing. In this one, I do more zigzaggy lines for his hair or fur. Or spikes? I'm not sure. Anyway, you don't want to go too dark here, it's just the outline. Think about this part like you're drawing a colouring book. We're going to get more detail out of all the colours we use. So if you use too much black, you won't be able to have any room for the colours. And the more colours you can fit in, the more the picture's going to pop at the end. And be really, really awesome.
Now we're going to use the dark blue texture. Whoa, ting!
Okay, so use the dark blue texture as more of an extension onto the black. Keep on following around the black outline with the dark blue to give it more depth. And make the hair fur spikes stand out more.
Now we're going to use a sky blue texture. Whoa, ting!
And now do the same with the sky blue texture. Follow the dark blue around and fill that out more to give the fur spikes more texture again.
Now we're going to use a light blue texture. Whoa, ting!
And now with a light blue texture, fill in all the white left in the blue part of Sonic.
Now we're going to use a yellow and a green texture. Whoa. Ting!
Now with the yellow and green, we colour in the eyes. The yellow is fluorescent, so it pops it out more.
Now we're going to use a red texture. Whoa. Ting!
Now the red's just to colour in his shoes. You could use two reds, like a darker red, to make it more 3D, but I just went with a solid red. And we all know the red will make him run faster.
I'm going to use the green texture again.
And we're just going to use the fluorescent green texture to colour in the grass.
We're going to use a skin color texture. Whoa. Ting!
Okay, and with the skin colour texture, we're just going to go around the mouth and his stomach with the fur rendering to make it look real. And there we go. What do you think?
If you're having fun, like and subscribe.
What's going to be your favourite part of the new Sonic movie?
Tails, Knuckles, Sonic.